Flexible rubber tips are useful to access the areas which can't be reached with toothbrushes, especially the spaces between the teeth, area directly below the gum line, and the areas behind the last molars. Gently place the rubber tip between gum line and teeth rubber tips, and move it along the gum line and teeth, accumulating plaque deposit. Use it similarly in other areas of the mouth, including the back of the teeth. Rubber tips also massage the gums at the same time, simulate the blood flow, and keep them healthy.